Furniture Company Limited is one of leading manufacturers of home and office furniture about 11 years. Vekin owned a modern factory with a series of advanced equipments like high-speed tube laser cutting machine, welding robot, automatic single-blade beam saws for wood cutting, CNC wood router machine for irregular wood cutting, automatic edge bander, 6-sided boring center, which can highly improve our product quality and working efficiency with the lowest cost. With our own R&D team and decades of rich full manufactured experience, our product is very popular for online and offline selling. Our products are exported to all over the world, and we have steadily increasing cooperative partners and customers. Vekin leave no efforts to help our client build their own product lines and growing business in their own countries. Most of our cooperative partners are excellent online retail sellers and have varies of top-ranking selling products. We can supply wide range of industrial-style furniture like computer desk, office desk, gaming desk, bookcase, TV cabinet, side table, nightstand table, kitchen storage shelf, shoe and coat rack, hall tree, sofa, bed, etc. Vekin also engage in producing height-adjustable table and chair in order to meet the needs of our users in different height. Vekin's professional package helps the clients to deliver their cargoes without any damage. The fashion style and good quality are deeply loved by young people all over the world. Vekin warmly welcomes worldwide clients to visit and cooperate.